To create your castor oil pack, you're going to need the organic castor oil, the organic flannel, and the proprietary fertility herbal blend that you got with your Pulling Down the Moon castor oil pack. You will also need some sort of a glass Tupperware. I do recommend glass versus plastic for storing your castor oil. So to get this process started, we'll start by putting a little bit of castor oil into the glass. Castor oil is a goopy oil. It's a beautiful oil, but it's definitely a little bit goopy. And then we're going to go ahead and infuse some of the herbs into the castor oil. Now, since these herbs are already broken down, they don't need a lot of time to blend with the castor oil pack before they're going to be very effective. Right. And I haven't used the whole amount, as you can see. I've just used a bit. And we can kind of swish this around. All right, and now we are going to go ahead and unseal our organic flannel. Flannel is a phenomenal fabric for a castor oil. And we're going to go ahead and soak the flannel. So once we've soaked this blend together, this blend and this castor oil pack can actually be reused up to 30 times. And it can be stored in this same glass container and bowl in the fridge during that time, as long as we seal it. To place the castor oil pack onto the abdomen, we'll take the soaked cloth we created out of our glass container and place it onto the lower abdomen. As you can see, castor oil is very goopy and easily stains everything. So before we put any type of heat on top of it, we'll take a piece of plastic wrap and use that to cover the wrap and the belly. From there, we can place any type of hot water bottle on top of the plastic wrap. I'm using a Fomentec bag, which is very similar in function to a hot water bottle. Any kind of non-electrical heat source will work well. Then we'll use our hands to stabilize the heat source, the castor oil pack. Feel the castor oil on your belly. You'll stay here for a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes, but you can also stay here for up to 30 or even 45 minutes. Castor oil wraps are beautiful above the lower pelvis and can also be used above the liver to help detoxify the body. Use this time to focus on your breathing, visualizing what you want. This can also be used as a time for guided meditation or prayer. It's just a wonderful time to breathe and experience the detoxifying and blood tonifying benefits of the castor oil herbal pack that you created.